Hey guys, so I was actually researching for the e19 error code if you have it for your Bosch dishwasher, and like this guy just wrote here that it's not what the internet said it was. It's a wiring error for dispenser. So check the dispenser for your Bosch dishwasher and actually check it out and all the wiring for it if there is an issue or something. So if you're installing new dispenser, make sure all the plugs are plugged all the way in. A halfway connection, it just isn't going to cut it. So this is something that I've read and I hope it's going to help you. If it doesn't, I'm sorry. I tried to locate it and like share with you how you can possibly fix the issue. And oh my god, the camera went off. So that's it. Try it out and hope it's going to help you. So have a great day and goodbye.